So let's take a look at how you can create action item tracker in Airtable. So first thing, we'll start from scratch, and here let me change the name to action item tracker. Right, now we renamed the base. Can also change some of the fields, right, and delete the one that we don't need. So the primary field I'm going to edit and use auto number here. Just use number, save it. Right, now let's move to our action item tracker. Right, so the item that we need is single line text, right, and create the field. It should be text here. Then we have to set priority, right, and it should be multiple choice. So here we will add choice like high, then medium, then low, right? So we got action item priority, then we will have to assign the owner to that task. So it should be single item. If you have limited team, you can also add them through user, right? So you choose which one to use. Then we have assign date, right, and here I will use date, then include the time format, create the field, right. Then we can also do the same with due date, right, and here I will add the friendly calendar 24-hour format and then create the field. So now we need to think of status of this item. So here again we will use multiple select option. Then we will choose things like on hold or hold. So let's go with on hold, then not started, then pending, right. We also have things like 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100, right. So once we have all these options, we can create the field. So we have status as well. Finally, let's add some notes with long text, right. So let's say I have action item clean the floor, priority, let's set the priority to medium, owner, let's say this guy, then assign date 30, due date 31, and status, you can click on this and not started, right, and then notes, assign to one person, right. So that was the note. Now considering this is auto increment number, I will have to fill these two as well, otherwise when I add 4 through form, these two will remain blank. So we can do that, or we can just move to form. So here action item tracker, now here I can choose personal, create new view. Now here I can see the available fields and the fields that I can use, right. Now if I open the form in another tab, I can see that it will load all the necessary items, starting with, let's see, deliver the project documents, priority we can set to high, owner, let's see, right. Then we had some dates, then status, as pending, right? Delivery not done, so assigned new person, right? Now if I submit this, it should go to our table and we can view that in our grid view. And here you see the details that we just added are now added into action item tracker. So I have shown you both the form view as well as our typical grid view for the action item tracker that you can do with Airtable.